morning, this is Melissa with the Stock Swoosh, and I'm going to be doing a free webinar this coming week called Profit Trading: The Power of Gaps. If you are interested in any of these informations, please give me a call or email me at melissa@stockswoosh.com. You can go to YouTube and check out some of my videos on my YouTube page, which is the Stock Swoosh, or like us on Facebook. I'm going to be doing a free webinar, which is going to be November 13th at 5:30 Eastern Time. Here is the link. If you're interested in coming, you just click on that link, and it'll take you directly to the free webinar. Again, it's this coming Tuesday, November 13th at 5:30. I did do a webinar on this topic the other week, and I had so many people that missed it that required me to decide to do another one for people. I like to accommodate people, and so I'm doing it a little bit later in the evening when people get home from work. And it also is because people requested me to do another webinar on this topic because so many people are interested in gaps, and I didn't have the last one taped. So please feel free to come if you missed the first one. I would love to have you there. I teach a class which is gaps. The Golden Gap course is a 2-day class on how to trade professional bearish gaps. The Golden Gap course is designed to help you strategically find, pick, and play stocks that are professional bearish gaps. What is necessary for a complete trading system? The following components specifically and in their entirety: a strategy, a play, a concept to give you an edge. This is what you need for a complete trading system. You need a complete system. You have to have all these things. If you want to be successful trading, I don't care if it's day trading or long-term trading, whatever it is you want to do, you have to have a system in place. It has to have all the parts. The great thing about my Golden Gap class is that it is essentially a trading plan in and of itself in the 2-day class, because I teach you everything you need to know in order to step into the market and trade. Here's an example of something that I teach in the class. I teach the Stock Swoosh. The Stock Swoosh is a hard, fast, directional movement of a stock in the first 5 minutes of the day. And NLY did this week. Swoosh down. This stock opened. This is a 1-minute chart. This is 9:31. This is up here. This bar opened around $15 and dropped down to about $14.20 in the 60 seconds. This is what I call a swoosh. Now, what does this tell us? This tells us that this stock is ready to be traded as a bearish gap on the day. So that's what you do. And here's the daily chart of it. You can see where it gapped down here, and then it fell down like this. We're looking for an entry to get in and then to play it how short. Again, this is what I teach in the class. So the entry time is 9:49. The price is $14.95. The stop is over $15.01. The risk is 6 cents, and on 5,000 shares, it would be $300. The exit is at the target, 11:23 at 14:59. Now, it did go down lower than that, but again, I'm playing things to target. If you get something to a target, you don't want to sit through a rally in something, especially if you're up this kind of money, which was about $1,800, and you made it in 1.5 hours. That is a nice living. That is a very, very nice living, and it's a nice risk to reward in your money too. You risk $300 to make $1,800. That is very good trading. I'm going to be discussing in the free webinar the long-term power of gaps. The Golden Gap class teaches a 26-point gap rating system which can be used to day trade. However, this system can also be used for swing and core trading these stocks for even bigger moves. These moves can continue for 3 to 5 days, 3 to 5 months, or 3 to 5 years. Here's an example I've used in other classes, which is DEC. I use this example because it is such an example of the power of gaps. This stock back a year ago gapped up, had a nice bullish gap up right here, ran up like this, broke out to all-time highs, got to 117 and a half, came in a little bit, held itself in support, not a problem, nothing wrong with this here, it's not doing anything wrong, and then boom. Right here, this professional bearish gap down was the first gap that you could have played to take this as a core short. And look at this move. Look at this move. This is incredible. How would you have known to do that? You have to know how to read gaps. You have a good gap. Not all gaps are good gaps. Not all gaps are playable. That's why you need a system to help you look at 26 things to decide what to trade. That's why you need a detailed system, a complete system, a focus system, a system that has a lot of components. That's the only way to do it. Now, you could have traded this day trade as a day trade right here on this day, and you also could have done it as a core trade, and you never suffered in this. You're up money every single, since the one that you took right here, you never suffered in this trade. You were up money as soon as you were in it, even for the core trade. And it was, in a year's time, it's all the way down to 40 bucks. Incredible. Trade is about results. You have to have results for what you're doing. If you did not have results, you ask yourself, why am I trading? You want to be the person that brings home the bacon. You want to be this guy that's bringing home the bag of money. You need to be bringing home this bag of money every day you trade. Maybe not every day, because some days you might not get a good gap, but every day you trade. And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Right now, we are in full swing earnings season. It is a beautiful time to be trading bearish gaps. Why? Because the market's been in a downturn. And we had a green day on Friday, but the market is going to rally up into resistance area and then come in again. We're going to have a nice time to be trading these professional bearish gaps. Now, you can trade them anytime. Earnings season, non-earning season, when the market's in an uptrend even, you can make money on good gaps. But the point is, we're going to get nice runs in things right now because they're going to go to target and past the target with the help of the market. That's another just great reason to be trading professional bearish gaps. It's all about self-empowerment, empowering yourself to learn how to trade, to make money for your own life, for your own self, for your part-time income, full-time income, retirement, savings, whatever it is. Empower yourself to learn how to trade and make money in the market. You can do it. I'm teaching people how to do it every day, and I personally am doing it. You can do it. Learn from me. Learn from my experience. Take the pearls of I'm giving you in the free webinar, or take the Golden Gap class I teach and learn from me. Remember, trading is fun. Making money is fun. The path to success is rewarding and fun. Take the Golden Gap class to learn the Golden Gap. That's trading. Take the Golden Gap class so that you can learn a complete system on how to play gaps and make money trading. So the next class I'm doing is next weekend, Saturday and Sunday, the 17th and 18th. The time is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the cost is $1,500. You can contact me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com for more information. And here's two nice testimonials from students. This is from Rashawn Williams. He said, Melissa has been a lifesaver to my trading career. She is an exceptional teacher. Before Melissa, I had no vision. I had no true strategy. I was trying to play everything, buy setups, sell setups, breakouts, climactic Bs, etc. She taught me to stay focused on one strategy and master it. Her 26-point system to analyze gaps increased my success rate to almost 70%. Melissa's timing and entries helped me to keep losses limited and profits high. Her knowledge, skill, energy, patience, and teaching ability is unsurpassed compared to any other trading course in which I have been involved. Other instructors have presented the same material, but they failed to make it click. Well, that was very nice. Thank you, Rashawn. And here's another one from Tom Lugat. Many traders have heard the cliche, cut your losses short and let your winners run. How do we do this? And how does overall percentage of winning trades factor into this equation? Many traders devote too much energy into developing a high winning percentage. But all the great teachers like Livermore, O'Neill, and Van Tharp have often can this be done? Recently, I had the opportunity to monitor Melissa Armour's trading over a period of time, and her results were a textbook exactly how this should be done. So, please feel free to come. The webinar I'm doing is Tuesday, November 13th at 5:30 p.m. Go to onlinetradercentral.com/thestockswoosh. For more information, email me at melissa@thestockswoosh.com. And I will see you there Tuesday night.